Welcome to my channel. DIY mechanic.
Volvo 2008 xc90. Your cigarette lighter is not working. You put your key on and your charger is connected but it's not coming on. You're gonna come down here. You're gonna remove 2 little screw. Those are T25. It will be up here, one there, one there, and then you're gonna remove that panel. Once you remove that panel, the fuse you are looking for is going to be a 15. So it's gonna be that one right there. So second row, counting from the left to the right, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, number 6, counting the empty slot right there. So remember, from the left to the right, from the right to the left, from the right to the left, second row, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. That's the one we're gonna pull out. So you can see it light up on one end, it doesn't light up on the other end. So we're gonna pull it out. You can see, you can't really see it, but it's burned, so we're gonna put it right there. We're gonna grab another new one. I'm gonna put it in, same hole right there. And now you can see the light of the charger. It came on. So there you have it. Now you know how to do it. Thank you. See you in the next one.